week, Leah asks, now that we're moving into fall, I'm finally ready to work on my melasma. Which treatments actually work? Leah, it's really important that we take a look at your skin to make sure that it truly is melasma, because melasma needs to be treated differently than general hyperpigmentation. Melasma is hyperpigmentation that is usually induced from hormones. We do have some treatment options, but first we'd like to do a busy analysis to determine the depth of the pigmentation and make sure that it really is melasma. We have options like our Melanage peel, our ultra surfacing peel, and of course home care products, which is where you're going to see your biggest results. So if you'll give us a call, we'll set up a busy analysis to determine what the best plan of treatment is for you. And of course, we'll get you on some good home care products as well.